Hi, everyone. I'm Christine Matus, the owner and founder of the Matus Law Group. Right now, the housing market is hot. And if you are buying new property, you probably heard that it's important to have title insurance. But why? As attorneys, we love to make sure our clients are protected, and we will never tell them that title insurance is not required. We always say, please get title insurance. So I'm going to go over the top 5 reasons why you need title insurance. To begin with, title insurance is a protection mechanism to make sure that you do not have financial losses to your property. This often happens when there's a defect in title. Here are the top 5 ways to make sure you always have title insurance. Number 1, liens and unpaid taxes. If there is a lien or a judgment or unpaid tax on the property, you as the homeowner are responsible. These types of liens and judgments follow the property. So no matter who owns it, that person is responsible. If you have title insurance, you'll be able to make sure that you receive property free and clear of any liens and judgments. Number 2, current lawsuits and disputes. When you're buying property, you want to make sure that the future is bright. Title insurance will alert you if there's any ongoing lawsuits or dispute. You never want to be involved with new property that's embroiled with protracted litigation. Number 3, selling your property with ease. If your intention is to buy this property and later on sell it, having title insurance will make it so easy. When you provide a buyer with clean title, your closing will occur efficiently and quickly. When deeds are transferred from generation to generations, mistakes could happen. There could be a change in the lot, in the block, or in the square footage. Title insurance will help clear that up and make sure your title is clean. Number 5, errors and omissions. Oftentimes, deeds could need updating. There could be changes in the names of owners. There could be missing owners. A title insurance company will make sure to clear up any of these issues, to close the gaps, and make sure that when you're transferring your title to the next owner, it'll happen efficiently and cleanly. And so there you have it, the top 5 reasons why you need title insurance. But believe it or not, there's a lot more. Please download our report where we explain to you the importance of title insurance and the other reasons why you should have it. And if you have more questions, please let us know.